Welcome to the presentation of the MARK16 Manuscript Room application by Jonathan Barda, Core IT SIB, and Claire Clivaz, DH+, SIB. MARK16 is a 5-year project funded by the Swiss National Foundation, led by Claire Clivaz, PI, with Mina Monnier, Sarah Schultes, and Jonathan Barda. It builds a virtual research environment focused on the end of the Gospel according to Mark, New Testament, in 4 parts. The manuscript room is the first and main part. It is composed by diverse folios of the last chapter of Mark in different languages like Arabic, Greek, Latin, Syriac, and other ancient languages, encoded with manuscript images. It is collaborative with different scholars working on the project, and the main text have been encoded in TI-XML and HTML by Mina Monnier, postdoc. Our 2 main partners are the New Testament Virtual Manuscript Room, IIIF Münster, and Nakala and Isidore Services of Humanum, CNRS. Nakala is a public open repository where we put the data, and then they are presented in a collection on the harvesting tool for SSH, Isidore. Pass now the word to Jonathan Barda, Core IT SIB. He will introduce you to the details of the MARK16 Manuscript Room 3IF application.
Hello. Here are the requirements and context for the new version of the manuscript project. We want it to be compatible with the manuscript from the NTVMR, which is one of the main sources of the manuscript. We also want it to be compatible with Mirador, which is the image viewer that follows the IIIF specifications. What was also very important for us was to increase the image protection by automatically adding copyright information at the bottom of each image, and also prevent the download of the displayed images. We had only 2 months on part-time work for doing that, and also improve the manuscript upload process that was in place to publish several new ones before the upcoming conference. Here you can see a comparative table of the manuscript upload process. As you can see, the new process makes the manuscript upload much more easier and faster. There is less manual task, and the process is now almost automated. While creating a new API, because the existing ones were not covering the whole features we needed, and were not written using the same libraries. So this would have required much more time to integrate them than we had. To respect the short time delivery, it was easier to create our own API that allows us to integrate and present images while following the IIIF specifications. This IIIF API will support 2 versions of the IIIF specification, version 2 and version 3. All the code of this API will be made available on GitHub in current 2021. To summarize, I have completely rewritten the code to improve the manuscript upload process and implement new APIs to handle the images according to the IIIF specifications. For doing that, I took the inspiration from the IIIF documentation, which is very complete, and from the existing implementation written in PHP. The way it works is pretty simple. When you, the client, navigate on the website, the front end, opening a manuscript, it will send the request to the backend where the APIs are rolling, and the API will simply return JSON data that will be consumed by the front end to display the manuscript and the corresponding images. Thanks a lot for your time, and I hope it was interesting for you. Bye bye.